Wow! Are you excited?
Yeah. We got
Yeah.
the birthday yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday?
Yeah. Now
Wow.
let's show you what we got.
Let's start.
Let me take this side. I've already dumped them. And so we got a ring pop. We got a ring pop.
Wow. Can I see your ring pops? Wow. Blue one.
I got a twister Sprite.
Wow. Arvi's strawberry, right?
Yeah.
Strawberry. And what about you, Adi?
I got twister. I got twisted spiral.
And
I
what?
got blue raspberry.
Raspberry. Wow. So yum. And
And we got rockets.
wow.
We got a skateboard.
Skateboards. Wow. Green color. Wow. I like it.
Yeah. We got this game.
We got a game.
Yeah.
Game. Wow.
We got the slapping hands.
We got a slapping hand.
Slappy hands. Wow.
We got the Rubik's
The
Cube.
Rubik's Cube.
Keychain too. And we got the whistle.
Whistle.
We got tattoos.
Tattoo
I don't
hats.
have mine.
Wow.
And that's what we
Tattoo.
got.
Wow.
And the spinny top.
Yeah,
Spinny
spinny
thing.
tops.
We
Yay.
got spinny.
Spinny top,
And the ring pop.
ring pop, and
Slappy hands.
slappy hands. Ring keychain,
And I also got a
Rubik cubes,
So,
game, whistles,
skateboard,
skateboard,
paint,
paint. Wow, I like it. Mini paint
tattoos.
and tattoos.
And
Wow,
rockets.
wow. And rockets. And this one is
The spinny top.
spinny top.
Now.
Thank you so much. You happy, guys?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Please like and say
Subscribe to our channel.
thank you so much for watching. Bye.